In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Pocket Option account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect along the way. Before we begin, a quick reminder. If you have open trades, remaining funds, bonuses, or important reports, consider closing positions, withdrawing your balance, and saving any statements first. Account deletion can be permanent, and once it's done, access to your data may be limited. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Pocket Option website. Sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. If you're already logged in, you should see your trading interface or cabinet area. From here, look toward the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It usually looks like a small avatar or your initial. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, select Profile. This takes you to your account settings page where you'll find the controls for personal information, security, and account preferences. Take a moment to look around and ensure you've updated anything you might need later, because once the account is removed, recovering details can be difficult. Now scroll down the profile page until you find the Delete Account option. It's typically near the bottom, separated from General Settings, so it's not clicked by accident. Click Delete Account to start the deletion process. A confirmation panel or dialog will appear explaining what deletion means and what will happen next. Read this carefully so you're comfortable proceeding. Next, click Select Reason. A drop-down will open with a list of reasons for leaving. Choose the option that best describes why you're deleting your account. This feedback helps the platform understand how to improve, and in some cases it may tailor the confirmation message based on your selection. Once you've chosen a reason, click Confirm. You may see a final prompt asking you to acknowledge the consequences, or you might be asked to verify your identity, such as re-entering your password. Approve the prompt to continue. After confirmation, your deletion request is submitted. In many cases, you'll be signed out, and the account will be scheduled for removal according to the platform's policy. That's all there is to it. If you change your mind shortly after submitting the request, check the platform's support resources to see whether cancellation is possible within a short window. Otherwise, consider this a clean break. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.